Hi students, Namaste. Myself Vyas Bhumika. Today I will teach you Standard 4 Maths Chapter 12 How Heavy, How Light Part 3. So for it, open your textbook page number 136. Take a pencil and write the answer if it needed. Again listen it carefully. Page number 136. In this page, one activity is given. Okay. So let's see which activity is this. Making weights. Means weights बनाने हैं. जो weight pens होते हैं वो बनाएंगे हम. Do this activity in pairs. Now you are at home. So you are doing this activity with your friends, family members and relatives. For it, you need something. Which thing you needed that we see here? You need a balance, weights, a cake of shop, plastic packets, sand and rubber band. You can also take help of an older person. Now, we have to see how we have to make it. So, let's see. Get a new cake of shop. मतलब एक नया shop जो आता है पैकेट वाला वो लेना है. The packet will have the weight written on it. पैकेट के ऊपर weight लिखा होगा. You can use this shop to make your own different weights. Means आप अपने तरीके से शॉप का डिफरेंट वेट्स बता सकते हो. मीन्स उसका यूज कर सकते हो. द शॉप वेज डैश ग्राम्स. सो फ्रॉम माई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इट इज 100 grams. नाउ आफ्टर दिस व्हाट वी हैव टू टेक. लेट्स सी. टेक अ स्मॉल प्लास्टिक पैकेट. Put it in one pan of the balance. Put the shop in the other pan. So, near in a picture, you can watch it. In one pan, they put balance. And the another pan, they put shop. Yes? Slowly add sand to the packet till the pans are balanced. मीन्स जो प्लास्टिक का पैकेट हमने रखा है पेन में उसमें धीरे धीरे सैंड डालते जाइए जब तक वो पेन के दोनों पार्ट इक्वल नहीं हो जाते हैं तब तक. लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट स्टेप. क्लोज द पैकेट विथ अ रबर बैंड और स्ट्रिंग. नाउ स्टिक अ स्ट्रिप ऑफ पेपर एंड राइट 100 grams on it. Means now you have to close the packet with a rubber band or string and you stick a small strip of paper and write 100 grams on this packet. If you put the shop and weight you just made together in a pan, how many grams will both this weight? Means if you put a shop and the balance is equal in both the pans, so how many grams with both this weight? So we have to do the total of both these pans. So in first pan that is 100 grams. In another pan this is also 100 grams. So I wrote here 100 grams plus 100 grams means in both the pans weight will 200 grams. Now you have to make another weight pans. So for it which things is needed that we have to see here. Now make different weights 150 grams, 200 grams and 250 grams. You can use socks of different weights for this. Means here you have to make different weights 150 gram, 200 gram and 250 gram. And you can use soaps of different weights for these grams. Also make some bigger weights of 500 gram, 1000 gram and 750 gram. Means if you make bigger weights, so you make it 500 gram, 1000 gram and 750 gram. Use your weights to weigh different things and write in your notebook. Means you have to choose your weights to weigh different things and write that different things name in your notebook. Means it's your homework. Now let's see page number 137. Practice time. Which pan of the balance will go down? Show by drawing an arrow. Means which pans of balance will go down? Means कौन से पेन का वजन ज्यादा है जिसकी वजह से वो नीचे आ जाएगा. Show by drawing an arrow. The first one is given as an example. In left side pan 25 gram and 40 gram. In right side pan 35 gram and 40 gram. So right side pan is heavy in weight than left side pan. So you can see here they draw an arrow in the downside of right pan. Now number 2. In number 2, left side pan 75 gram and 75 gram. Right side pan 35 gram and 140 gram. So tell me student, which side's pan's weight is more than other side pan? तो बताइए बच्चों कि कौन सी साइड में ज़्यादा वजन है. So from my point of view, it is right side pan's balance is more than left side pan's balance. So I drew an arrow downside of right pan. You have to also draw an arrow in downside right pan. Now let's see number 3. In number 3, left side pan 105 gram and 200 gram. In right side pan 150 gram and 250 gram. From both of these, right side pan's balance is more than left side pan balance. So I drew an arrow in downside of right pan. Now let's see number 4. In number 4, left side pan's weight 55 gram, 250 gram, 700 gram. And right side pan balance is 254 gram and 600 gram. So tell me student, which side's pan's balance is more than other side's pan balance? Yes, very good. Left side pan balance is more than right side pan balance. So I drew an arrow in downside of left pan. You also draw an arrow. Let's see number 5. In number 5, left side pan balance is 20 gram and 196 gram. And in right side pan balance 197 grams. So tell me student, which pan side's balance is more than other side's balance? Yes, very good. Left side pan balance is more than right side pan balance. So for it, I drew an arrow in downside of the left pan. You also have to draw an arrow. Now let's see number 6 and last. 6 number, left side pen balance is 36 gram and 750 gram. And in right side pen, there is 63 grams plus 100 grams. So, which pen's balance is more than other pen's balance? Tell me student. Means कौन से पेन का बैलेंस दूसरे पेन से ज्यादा है? Yes, very good. राइट साइड पेन का बैलेंस लेफ्ट साइड पेन से ज्यादा है. So, for it, I drew an arrow downside of the right pen. You also have to draw an arrow. Now, let's see questions given on same page. Number 1, is the weight on any of the pens equal to 1 kg? Mark it. Means ये जो सभी पेन्स हैं उसमें से कोई ऐसा पेन है जिसका वेट 1 kg से इक्वल है, मतलब 1 kg जितना है. तो आंसर आएगा यस, बैलेंस फिगर 4. बैलेंस फिगर 4 का लेफ्ट पेन है, उसका वेट 1 kg हो रहा है. So you have to write the answer downside of this question. Question number 2, how many grams are there in 1 kg? 1 kg में कितने ग्राम्स होते हैं? तो ये मैंने पहले आपको सेमेस्टर 1 में समझा दिया था, है ना? तो भी हमें यहाँ पे आया है तो आंसर तो देना ही होगा. तो आंसर आएगा there are 1000 grams in 1 kg. Means you have to also write the answer in textbook. Now turn your page number 138. On this we have to see grams and kilograms. Name 5 things that we usually buy. कोई भी ऐसी 5 चीज़ें जिसको हम ग्राम्स और किलोग्राम्स में खरीदते हैं. So here 2 boxes are given. First one is in grams and second one is in kilograms. So for it, I wrote 2 different things in these 2 boxes. In gram, number 1 is tea packet and number 2 is almond. In kilogram, number 1 sugar and number 2 potato. Other 3, 4 and 5 you have to write in homework. I hope you all understood this part 3 of chapter 12 very well. Meet in the next video.